a suitable diet plan for diabetics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Live Your Nutritious Life. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, a suitable diet plan for individuals with diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that requires careful attention to what you eat, and a well-balanced diet is crucial to managing blood sugar levels. We'll also provide you with a sample meal plan to give you a head start on your diabetic-friendly journey. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's important to understand the dietary principles that should guide your meal choices if you have diabetes. Number 1. Carbohydrate management. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. Limit or avoid refined sugars and processed foods. Monitor your carb intake to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Number 2. Portion control. Keep portion sizes in check to avoid overeating. Smaller, more frequent meals can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 3. Fiber-rich foods. Include plenty of fiber in your diet from sources like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar and aids in digestion. Number 4. Healthy fats. Choose healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried and processed foods. Number 5. Lean proteins. Incorporate lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Protein helps maintain muscle mass and keeps you feeling full. Now, let's put these principles into practice with a sample meal plan for a day. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian to tailor a plan that's right for your specific needs. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. A small portion of steel-cut oats topped with berries. A glass of unsweetened almond milk. Snack: Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of crushed almonds. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with a side of quinoa. A generous serving of mixed greens with olive oil and vinegar dressing. Snack: carrot and cucumber sticks with hummus. Dinner: baked salmon with a lemon and herb seasoning. Steamed broccoli and cauliflower. A small portion of brown rice or quinoa. Dessert in moderation: a sugar-free, low-carb pudding or a small serving of fresh fruit. Remember, the key to managing diabetes through diet is consistency and balance. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and work closely with your healthcare team to make adjustments as needed. That wraps up our discussion on a suitable diet plan for diabetics, along with a sample meal plan to get you started. Eating well and making healthy choices can help you manage your condition effectively and lead a fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. And as always, consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Live Your Nutritious Life. Stay healthy. Understanding is important. Thanks for watching.